guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to go take a look at a couple of cars out in the field, and I've also got a little surprise for you that I hope you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Alright, we're off today to take a look at three cars that are sitting in a field. I think they're probably going to be pretty rough, but then I also got a little surprise for you while you're out there, something that some of you might find interesting. So let's head down the road. So the last time the Super Bee was down this road, it was on a trailer nearly a decade ago. Alright, we are just about here to take a look at these cars. And I think we are here. Okay, that was it. We did just go past it. We're going to turn around and park out front. I heard it was pretty overgrown. Apparently the gentleman passed away who had this place. It's where this Firebird is. We're here. Alright guys, so many of you may know where I got the Super Bee. It was a true barn find car. It had sat in a barn for 26 years. And today I had the opportunity to go back out and visit the grave where I found the Super Bee, where it had been sitting all those years. So if you don't know the story, I knew the people that had it, and they finally decided to sell it to me. Basically, I told them I'd, fix it up, make it running and driving again, and, wouldn't do anything crazy like crush it or part it out or anything like that. And so they finally decided to sell it to me. So the gentleman that I got it from, his mom bought the car brand new, and so it's been in their family its whole life. So anyway, I had the opportunity today to go out and take a look at the grave where I found the Super Bee, and I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so this little building back here is where the Super Bee sat all those years and where it was rescued from. So I figured I'd bring you guys back to take a look at it. And then the cars we're looking at today are going to be over there in that field. So it sat in this barn with a canoe sitting on the top of it for years and years and years. So this is it. So it sat right here, and when the tires went flat, the front fender was actually up against the wall right there. That's probably still the mark from it that you can see on the wall right there. So you can see this is very skinny and very low. It was, you know, basically right up against that wall, and then the back end was back over there. You can see now the roof is mostly gone. It was still intact, but it was starting to come loose when the first time I saw it here. So this is looking in where the back of the car was sitting. I should see if that wheel's one of the Super Bee wheels. So that was it. So there's railroad tracks back out over there, but you can see this is all super overgrown. Here's some of the cars that we're looking at. Looks like there's one Fairlane, looks like there's one maybe LTD. I'm not sure if that truck is one or not, but yeah, they're right next door. That's actually how I found out about these, is my friend Gene told me about them. So alright, I don't think anybody is here, but let's take a look at what's back here. That Lincoln is wrecked. This is a 69 Ford right here, LTD, 351. Looks like about a 68 Fairlane, and that's either a 69 or 70 years truck. car's pretty straight. I'm gonna see if there's an engine in it. Alright, the engine is there. It's an air conditioning car. I'm not gonna open this up too far. Doesn't look like there's an engine in this car. The hood's bent. Looks like it's got aftermarket AC. Looks like it took a small hit in the back. Let's take a look at this truck. Wow, this has got bucket seats in it. Look at all the crap on the floor. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to get back so you can see how deep it is. Oh, wow. There was supposedly a Mopar out here somewhere too. I'm not seeing it though. I'll just walk over here and see if there's anything in here. Nope, nothing in here. Some boats and lawn tractors. Alright, I guess I'm going to have to call this guy and find out what's up. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Be sure to come back next time. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to go look at a couple of cars in the field. No, don't shake when I'm recording.